Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Our today's topic is ozone layer depletion. Yesterday we had discussed ozone layer and its importance. We have seen that there is a thick blanket of ozone gas in the stratosphere of atmosphere. That thick blanket is called the ozone layer. As far its importance is concerned, we have already discussed it. This layer, it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. It does not allow the ultraviolet radiations to reach the earth. To reach the earth. Thus, it keeps us safe from these harmful radiations, and so it keep us safe from various diseases. It has been found that the amount of ozone in the atmosphere is getting depleted. It is getting depleted, due to which the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere is becoming thinner and thinner day by day. Thinner day by day. Thinner day by day. This depletion of ozone layer, it has been found that amount of ozone come, due to which ozone layer in the stratosphere, it is becoming thinner, thickness come thinner day by day. That is called ozone layer depletion. You see, depletion of ozone layer, it is due to the use of chemicals which are called the chlorofluorocarbons. You see, depletion of ozone layer due to the use of chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons chemical istemal. These chemicals, they are used in refrigerators, refrigerators and air conditioners, as a coolant, or in fire extinguishers, or in aerosol sprays. The chlorofluorocarbons, which are released by refrigerators into the air, they react with the ozone gas present in the ozone layer and destroy it gradually. These chlorofluorocarbons released by the refrigerator, they go into the air and react with the ozone gas and convert it into the oxygen gas and the radicals. Thus, in this way, these ozone is destroyed. It destroy it gradually. As a result, what happens? Due to this, ozone layer in the upper atmosphere becomes thinner and thinner. Ozone layer is present in the ozone, it has become thinner, and this allows more radiations, allowing more radiations to pass through it and to reach to the earth. Thus, we can say that due to the depletion of ozone layer caused by the chlorofluorocarbons, more radiations reach the earth. The ozone layer deplete more radiations, ozone layer being thinner. As a result, more radiations will reach the earth. If the ozone layer in the atmosphere is disappears completely, then all the extreme harmful radiations coming from the sun, they would reach the earth. And these harmful radiations, they would cause skin cancer and other ailments in men and animals, and they also do damage the plants. Or in other words, we can say that all the life on the earth on the earth would be destroyed would be destroyed gradually if the ozone layer in the the atmosphere in the atmosphere disappears completely, disappears completely, completely.